Question number 2. How can I turn $100 into a profitable business fast? Both gave you some defaults like turning 100 into the profitable business fast, giving you some features and some explanation how you can start it. But again, Grok came here and started explaining about case study and gave you a real example like what you can do exactly, and it also gave me idea like AI enhanced digital product hustle and explain me step by step how can I do this, which if you like this idea you can go for it. And as you can see, it's give you little tiny details with the prices, like how you can spend that $100 to grow your business. And for example, step 2, set up shop. Step 3, market it and how much it costs, like 20 to 40. And step 4, profit timeline and stuff like this. And also it tell you why it works, like lower barrier, and also giving you some tips. But on the other side, ChatGPT, again, it's talking more general and giving you some titles, multiple ideas, AI powered faceless YouTube channel, best for you because yeah, I already talked to ChatGPT and ChatGPT a bit know me, and it's personalized answers. AI consulting for small businesses, AI powered digital products, affiliate marketing for AI, print on demand. But I think for the people who doesn't know what they want to do exactly, ChatGPT give better advice because you can choose which one is better for you because not everybody the same. And as far as this question is more general question, ChatGPT replied generally, but Grok brought some case study for it. And also, as I said before, ChatGPT visually is better and easier to read, and also using emojis and stuff like this. For question number 2, I would vote for ChatGPT. Yeah. All right. Now, so let's go to question number 3.